Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ashland County until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Savannah to 10 miles southwest of Ashland, and moving east at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ashland, Loudonville, Hayesville, Polk. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now, and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m.